Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly connect your 1Password to GitHub. So you want to click on developer on the left side and click on directory. Here you have the GitHub actions. And so you can click on that. You will either need to create a service account, or if you just want to connect, you can create a connector server. And so click and create a connector server in this case, and we will just choose a vault. I'm going to just choose, for example, test password as this example here. And I'm going to just simple call this one UAT for, let's say, for example. Then we click and add the environment. Here you want to choose the expiration. You can choose if you want to expire never, or 180 days, 90 days, 30 days is up to you. Then choose your vault again. I'm going to choose this same vault here, click on update and click on issue token. And so it's going to create a server credential and an application for me. And so here you can go ahead and you can even save these within 1Password. As you can see, it creates the credential file. As you can see, this is the name here. And for access token, you can see that you have these as well. And you can click save in 1Password and you can save that wherever. I'm going to save it, for example, on the test passwords. Again, save. And the same goes if I want to save the access token, and we'll just do the same here as well. And so you have these available to you now, guys. You can even click view the details and you have them right within 1Password here. And you can also have them here in the developer section. And so this is basically it. You have them here and you just need to go ahead and use these within 1Password. And that's it.